These skills are not just skills for building, these skills are skills for life. They are life skills. They teach self-sufficiency, they teach you how to be confident. Anybody can learn these skills, it's just that oftentimes we're not given the opportunity to learn. I was extremely grateful that I could come into a mixed gender environment and learn from the basics, from the beginning. The learning environment was excellent. I really enjoyed having the variety of men and women that came here that all were hungry to learn. I didn't even have basic skills. I have to admit, I didn't even know how to read a tape measure properly prior to coming to this class. But they started us at the basics, they got everybody to a fundamental level, and then they slowly increased the knowledge so that you really felt like you would have a hands-on grasp of a skill set when you're leaving here. There's more to learn, but again, I walk away feeling exactly where I wanted to be. So if there are any guys who are considering this, maybe who are like me, who did not grow up with building skills, do not hesitate to take the class. The class is an excellent class. You will not be disappointed.